What truly happened to Malaysia Airlines Flight 370, and why does it remain one of aviation's greatest mysteries? On March 8, 2014, the world watched in disbelief as MH370 vanished from radar screens less than an hour after taking off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport. The Boeing 777, carrying 239 passengers and crew bound for Beijing, disappeared over the vast expanse of the South China Sea without a trace. Initial search efforts focused on the Gulf of Thailand and South China Sea before investigators shifted their attention to the remote southern Indian Ocean. Despite the deployment of advanced sonar technology and dozens of ships and aircraft, search teams scoured thousands of square kilometers with limited success. The discovery of a flaperone on island in July 2015 offered the first tangible clue, but failed to unravel the full sequence of events. Families of the missing endured years of anguish and uncertainty, while piecing together fragmented updates from aviation experts and officials. Official reports released by Malaysian authorities and international partners outlined probable flight paths, yet stopped short of providing a definitive conclusion. Conspiracy theories flourished online as speculations ranged from mechanical failure to hijacking and deliberate pilot intervention. Some experts suggested fuel exhaustion and uncontrolled descent, while others posited more elaborate scenarios involving state actors. In response to the enduring lack of closure, the aviation industry implemented new satellite tracking protocols to enhance flight transparency. Modern aircraft now transmit frequent automated position reports to shore-based receivers, reducing the chance of large-scale blind spots. The MH370 tragedy reshaped global expectations for safety and accountability in air travel and set a new standard for international cooperation during emergencies. Documentaries and podcasts have since explored the human stories behind the headlines, giving voice to loved ones who still search for answers. Although official searches formally ended in 2018, private expeditions funded by families and philanthropists continued to probe the deep ocean floor. Each new sonar map and deep-sea expedition rekindles hope that more wreckage might be found and truths uncovered. Investigative journalists and independent researchers continue to analyze satellite metadata and Inmarsat pings for overlooked insights. The disappearance of MH370 remains a haunting reminder of both the vastness of our planet and the fragility of human lives in transit. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of unanswered questions to inspire both technological innovation and collective resolve. Together, we can honor the memory of those lost by demanding transparency, supporting grieving families, and striving for aviation safety improvements. If you enjoyed this dive into the mystery, please subscribe to the channel and like this video.